Krishna hears this very romantically charged conversation and says, your husbands will not tolerate this behavior of ours. They will complain bitterly to King Kans and produce a fearful situation for me and also you as well. Gopis, how do they reply to that? Datta abhayam danda bhujam. So Vishnu Chakravarti is taking these phrases and weaving an entire lila and an entire conversation and spinning from these phrases. Why are they saying, is there another meaning to danda bhujam rather than just superficial? Oh, your arms are very powerful, they're strong like pillars. All right, that's one meaning, that's an external meaning. And that's true, describing the guna mahima, the glories of Krishna's qualities, or rup mahima, the glories of Krishna's form. But now there's everything about Krishna and every word about Krishna Lila, especially with the gopis, has different levels of meaning. Because we talk about Krishna Nam, Krishna Rup, Krishna Gun, Krishna Lila. So in Krishna Lila, there is Krishna Nam, Rup, and Guna. In Krishna Nam, there is Rup, Guna, and Lila. In Krishna Guna, there's Nam, Lila. You follow? So they're saying, oh, your arms, that's your Rupam. But when the gopis are describing the Rupam of Krishna's arms, there's also intimating and indicating a Lila in the description of that Rupam. Do you follow the logic? So Vishnath is, and do you know what the Lila is? This is the Lila. And how do I know and how can I share it with you? Because I'm seeing it and I'm right there. This is amazing. That's why they're called Siddhas, and that's why they're called Rasikjan, because they're there in the Lila and they're trying to take us through their tikas and through their merciful commentaries into the Leelas. By reading these commentaries, meditating on these commentaries, and praying to these commentaries, that we too will also experience something of these exchanges.